We've grown up here, starting way back in 1975, and we went from a handful of crew members to well over 12,000 crew members just within the Chester County region. Sure, we have other locations domestically and internationally, but at the end of the day, most of our employee base is here within Chester County.
QVC has been a member of the Chamber for the past 20 years. And what attracted them to the Chamber is the voice that the Chamber provides within the county and broadly within Pennsylvania as well.
Longwood Gardens has been a proud member of the Chester County Chamber since 2008, and I don't see an end to that.
We're talking with foundations in Philadelphia, foundations on the national level. We're helping them understand how a relatively small, defined community that faces great challenges, but where there's great opportunity, how you can really move the needle.
Victory's opportunities within Chester County are frankly limitless.
We've helped United Way, we've certainly helped the Chamber, we've helped children with autism, lots of different things that we've done for more than a decade of just giving back to the community.
I hope that we continue to grow here, and I have confidence that we will because of the environment that this county provides.
I think that Chester County is unique because of the setting. Being affiliated with a beautiful garden, I'm going to be attracted to the environment and the beauty of Chester County first and foremost, but the people, the quality of life here is, I think, one of the best.
I think that we really embrace families and growth and people helping one another, and it's just a neat place to live and have a business.
We are all about giving back. So even though our mushrooms are distributed nationally and internationally, we like to stay close to our community of where our workers live, where our staff is, and give back to charities that mean something to us here locally.
While Westchester is one of the 10 largest employers in the region, there are thousands of companies who really make the economy hum here, who get as many benefits from the Chamber as we do as a large employer.
Chester County provides that proximity to the marketplace. It provides that link between the shale industry, the drilling industry in the western part of the state with the market delivery mechanisms in the eastern part of the state.
Chester County does a great job of attracting great talent to the area.
This is our community. We're never leaving here. We're all about serving this community. And so our role has really been to provide funds. We've provided over $14 million in grants over the last 14 years to nonprofits who are improving health in the community.
I travel all around the world, and when I come home to Chester County, I always say that nothing else compares.
Your legislators really want to hear what's going on in the community where there's an opportunity to create great change.
The biggest advantage to joining the Chester County Chamber is the voice that they give to the community, the ability and the initiatives that they drive to promote small businesses and bring businesses to the areas, the advocates that they have become for many of the large multinational companies in the area.
The Chamber has a voice, and it's a voice that politicians listen to.
By far, the biggest benefit of being a member of the Chamber is the connections, and the connections to the network of members of the Chester County Chamber, because they are our county's leaders.
The Chamber can educate us on what's going on with the legislature out in Harrisburg. How is that going to affect the mushroom industry?
The Chamber does a superb job in connecting the public policy agenda to the needs of business leaders in this region. And we have directly benefited from the Chamber's support of legislation and policies that help create a much more entrepreneurial environment.
Victory's worked with the local community in a number of ways. We work with the Chester County Chamber of Business and Industry. We meet with public elected officials and other members of the community that are influencers to make sure that we are doing the right things within the community.
The Chamber has a very sizable voice and some wonderful influential people on and off the board to be able to really advocate for the small businesses of the county. The vision going forward is really to support the businesses of our county.
From a QVC perspective, we have 2,800 people that work in this building, and they're all based here in Westchester, in Chester County. I think we can be advocates for the Chamber, and we can go out there and talk about the great things that the Chamber is doing to influence Chester County.
The resources that are available through the Chamber help us do business better.
We think it's important for the company to stay very connected with the community. We can't think of a better way to do that than to be actively involved, not just be members, but actively involved in the Chester County Chamber of Business and Industry.
Nothing substitutes for a face-to-face interaction, actually meeting somebody and having a conversation about your work. And I think the Chamber provides that in so many different ways.
I think the best way that the Chamber can continue to connect with members is to just get the word out about the amazing benefits that the Chamber has. That thought leadership, being among the influencers, and also just for your own professional and career development, that's tremendous.
It is hard to imagine Chester County without the opportunities for engagement that the Chamber provides.